friends, so as I mentioned before, we are back in Chapter 3 reviewing addition strategies. I know they were tricky for a lot of friends at the beginning of the year when they were introduced, so that's something that we really want to work on because when you get to second grade, they're going to expect you to know how to add and subtract numbers more than one way. So what we're going to do today is we're going to practice adding in any order. Now this goes along with the Think Central Lesson 3.1. So if you did not do that on Monday, today would be a good day to do it. So we're going to work on adding in any order. Now we know you can show addition sentences in two ways. You can have it vertically, which means up and down, or you can have it horizontally, which means side to side. And either way, it means the same thing. So the two numbers I'm adding are 8 plus 9 equals, and then I'm going to fill it in. 6 plus 7 equals, remember that bar across means equals. It means the same thing as the equal sign down here. So we have 7 plus 5 equals blank, and 9 plus 2 equals blank. So what we want to do is solve the addition sentence first, and then find the addition sentence in the opposite order. So remember, at the beginning of the year, we kind of did it like this. If I have, let's see, pick a number that I can fit on my hands, 3 and 2. If I have it like this, I can have it like this or like this, depending on how I wanted to add it. 3 plus 2, I know right away 3 plus 2 is 5. That's a fact that I know. I've memorized it. It's a 5 fact. 3 and 2 equals 5. But I can do this. And now I have 2 plus 3 equals 5. I did not put down any fingers. I did not put up any fingers. So if I know this way, I have 5. I also have 5 this way. So 3 and 2 equals 5, but 2 and 3 equals 5. So that's all we're doing, but instead of using our hands and fingers and switching them, all we're doing is flipping the numbers. So 8 plus 9 is 17. I know that right away. If you don't, you could count on. You could use the doubles facts plus 1. You could say 9 and then count on 8. So 9 and then count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You could solve it that way. Or you could say 8 is close to 9, and I know 8 plus 8 is the doubles fact 16. Add one more to get to 17. Does not matter for now how you solve it, but as long as you have 8 plus 9 equals 17, that is correct. So now we're going to flip the addition sentence so it's the other way. So we're going to put it in the other order. So instead of 8 being first and 9 on the bottom, we're going to go 9 plus 8 equals 17. The two numbers are exactly the same when you are adding. It does not matter which number comes first or second. As long as you have the same two numbers, you are going to have the same answer. And we're going to try a horizontal one together too. 7 plus 5. Take a minute, see if you can figure that out. 7 plus 5 equals 12. So if 7 plus 5 equals 12, 5 plus 7 equals 12. So I have done one for you. I have done a vertical one and I have done a horizontal one. What I want you to do is pause the video so you can still see the screen and either do it in your head or write down on a piece of paper or a whiteboard if you have it. 6 plus 7 and 9 plus 2. I want you to solve them, and then I want you to flip them so you have the addition sentence in the other order. So now is the time to do that. Pause it and go ahead and get that done. But we're going to keep going through. So when you're done, hit play, and you'll be able to check. So 6 plus 7. What do you have for that? 6 plus 7 equals 13. So if 6 plus 7 equals 13, 7 plus 6 also equals 13. 9 plus 2. That's a quick count on fact. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. So if 9 plus 2 equals 11, 2 plus 9 equals 11. If you did not have 13 and 11 as your answers, you can go ahead and fix it right now and double check that you had your opposite addition fact correct as well, and if you didn't, go ahead and fix that. So today in Think Central, if you haven't done it already, go ahead and do 3.1, and you're going to practice taking addition sentences and just flipping the numbers around. But remember, when the numbers stay the same, the answer stays the same. So enjoy your math today, friends.